Hey guys, so welcome to the channel, the Jack Editor, and welcome to this video where I'll talk about how to make this very simple yet effective transition inside of After Effects. By the end of this video you'll have a good understanding of the basics and you'll be able to create very simple yet very effective animations inside of After Effects that could help your videos go viral and potentially find you new clients. I'll go over and teach you all of the animation you see on the screen. At the end of the video, I'll give you a simple trick that could help your videos skyrocket. Okay, so firstly you have to install a plugin called Animation Composer number 3. And to do that, go to their website, download their app, and inside of the app, go to the After Effects tab and click on download. This plugin will help us in few parts of the animating of the video. You can go and create a new composition. I've chose 1080 by 1080 and 24 frames. In this part I'll talk about what fonts to use, what transitions to place, and what should be the timing. So first go ahead and add your text. I chose the name Project 100 and I decided to stick with this title. So first I chose the SF Pro font because it was the Apple font, and well, when you see Apple you see quality, and that's why I chose this font. So for the main title I chose heavy italic, and for the bottom text I chose thin italic. Go to transitions and text layer. Next look for the transition scale characters 1. So guys, that's pretty much the first part, and now let's go to the part you all came for. Okay, so guys, first you have to add your circle from the Animation Composer plugin. Now as you have seen, the circle moves around and it rotates. Okay, so now as you can see, the circle rotates and we don't want that. We want the first point of the circle to stay in one position. So to fix this, we should add few rotation keyframes and play with it a little bit. So first I added the keyframe at the beginning, and next I added the keyframe at the end, and I aligned them to start and finish at the same time. Okay, so the next thing, we should add a circle. Now once you have your circle, we are gonna pre-comp it, we are gonna call it bow number.
Hey guys, so unfortunately my camera died and I'm recording this video after I found out.
You can see what transitions I used. Okay, great. Now we have a circle that pops up. Now we need to duplicate it 3 more times, so I chose 4 total points, and go to the project on the top left and duplicate it from there. Side note, if you duplicate it in your composition and change one of the numbers, all of them will change as I did on accident. So keep in mind, always duplicate in the project files. Okay, great. We should align the bows in each quarter of the circle. Okay, and once we have done that, we need to get the timing right. Great. Now once we have the timing right, we should make the transformation from the circle to a full widescreen. So how are we gonna do that? We are gonna do that by creating a new color circle. Okay, now we're gonna add the circle and play a little bit with the scale. Okay, now we have this transition, and that was pretty much it. 3 steps to do this transition. It's simple yet very effective. Looping is very important. It helps the algorithm promote our videos. So to do that, the last frame should be the same as the first. I chose just to go black, and the black is the beginning.
So if you like the video, guys, subscribe for more tutorials, like and comment if you learned something new. I would be glad if you do. Continue animating, guys. Oof.